Okay, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to properly clean your wheels and your tires. Okay, the point that I'm really trying to make is in order for a dirty tire or wheel like this to get clean like this, is you have to clean the inside of the wheel first. Now this wheel just happened to be caked with brake dust. It's a good idea to do this once a year on every tire, every wheel and tire that you have. But this is basically 50% of cleaning your tires. Clean the inner part of the wheel first and the outer tire, then move on to the outer part of the wheel and the tire, and then apply your dressing on top of your wheel. Okay, I got my heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner right here along with my brush, and I also have some Dawn heavy duty degreaser, and I got this Cerakote tire shine and protectant. I put that on the tire after I finish cleaning the wheel up. Okay, I got my cleaner right here. Go ahead and spray it. Get started with it. This turns blue. It applies blue, and then from blue it goes to white. And you'll see the dirt falling off it, the wheel and the tire. So I do the tire also. So I just put it on like that, usually 1 to 2 coats, and then I use my brush to get off the excess dirt. And let it set for a few minutes like that. Then I'll just start using my brush to clean it off, and then I do the second coat, and then I'll rinse it off. So while I'm waiting for this side to go ahead and break the dirt down, I might as well go ahead and turn it around on the other side like that and do the same thing. So go ahead and clean the wheel like that and the tire, and go ahead and start breaking that dirt down, all that build up. Okay, just like that. Okay, I got both sides, so I give it 90 seconds, and then I use my brush and just start cleaning everything off. Okay, you can kind of see the brown in it. That's the dirt that's coming off of it right there, but I'm about to start scrubbing it. Spend about 90 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush right here, start scrubbing it. So you see that old nasty buildup right there. See that? The buildup is coming right off. So I might need to apply it a second time because it's pretty dirty. But the buildup is coming off. Like right there. See that? It's coming right off. The tire itself is not that dirty, but these rims easily pick up a lot of brake dust. If it's not dirt, it's brake dust. So that's basically what most of this is this brake dust that's done caked up on the inside of the wheel, and it needs to come off. So yeah, it's going to need a second application. So the tire is not that bad, but anyway, that's basically what it is, and the buildup of brake dust. So go ahead and finish this up. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off and then apply a second coat because it's really caked on there. Alright, I'm gonna let it sit a little longer and then I'll come back with it, rinse it off, and I'll do a second coat. Alright, it's time to rinse it off. See what else I can do. Okay, you can see all that buildup, mainly brake dust that's still caked on the inside right there. So the outside ain't that bad, it's just mainly the inside. But you see the inside of it right there. So it's gonna need a second coat. So let me go ahead and cut this off and try a second coat. It's mainly brake dust is what you're looking at. So that part up there still want to cling on to the wheel, so needs that second coat. Move that out of the way. All right, the wheel is not all that bad because I cleaned the wheel when I put it on there. But okay, I'm gonna let it set another couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it on the other side and get started on the outside while this continues to break down that brake dust. Okay, here's the outer side. It's not as bad. It's pretty clean. I think the wheel, same thing, pretty good condition. Okay, I'm not gonna really need a second coat on this one. Because most of it, the dirt done came off. So I'm just gonna rinse this one off. So let me get my hose pipe, go ahead and rinse this off and see what it looks like. Okay, the outside of the tire is pretty clean. The wheel is pretty clean, so basically I just need to concentrate on the inside, get the rest of that brake dust off, and after that it should be fine. So let me go ahead and cut this off. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and turn it on the other side and get the rest of that brake dust off. Okay, most of the brake dust and the dirt on the inside of the wheels come off, as you can see, but it's still got some right here, like on the inside right here, but it's coming off. So I'll work on that, trying to get the rest of that off, and then I'll come back, because that stuff is on there. So I might have to get a smaller brush, maybe a wire brush, to get that off. But it's pretty much coming off on the wheel. See that? I hadn't rinsed it off yet, but I mainly need to concentrate on this inner area right here to get that off. And then when I get that off, I'll move on to the next step. Okay, I got this impact wrench with this attachment right here to clean small spots, small areas rather. Then I also have my sponge that I use. So I'm gonna see how well this works on the brake dust. Okay, this will probably work pretty good. Let's see how well it works. I'm gonna spray some of this Dawn on here. Heavy duty degreaser kind of help break it down. Okay. See how well this works. And it's working pretty good. It's coming right off of there. So let me go ahead and finish that up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and see what it looks like. Yep, it's working. Taking it right off. Okay, I'm gonna have to apply a second coat on there, but it worked pretty good. The attachment took it right off. So apply it a second time, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, that attachment got all the brake dust off. The wheel is good and clean on the inside. So that's 50% of cleaning your tire and your wheel. So it did a pretty good job, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. This side's done, as you can see. Turn it around and show you how clean this one is too. So okay, so that's a clean wheel right there. 50% of it's the back, 50% is the outside. So go ahead and get this cleaned up and put it back on the car. So it's ready for the tire dressing. Okay, I got my car jacked up, so I'm ready to put my wheel back on. Okay, I got my wheel ready on both sides. Okay, I just wanted to give you a close-up again. You see the before and after results. Okay. And I've already checked my tires for any kind of nails, anything like that. Before I put it on, I don't have any nails. Okay, my tire's in good shape, so it's ready to go on. Okay, I got my tire back on, got it cleaned up. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll put the tire dressing on. Okay, my tire's good and clean, and it looks like it's pretty dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Cerakote dressing that got on here, and see if you can see it. This tire coating. Go ahead and apply this, and then I should be finished with the wheel. Okay, here I go. This is like a spray. It's kind of thick. Kind of smells like glue. Had to shake this up pretty good before I put this on here. Okay. And I still got my wheel up off the ground, so that'll help with the applicator. Alright, so let's see here. Here's the applicator. So I just guess you just kind of spread it like that. To me, it kind of reminds me of Elmer's glue. That's how thick it is, and that's what it smells like. So, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, and that's what it looks like, but I guess it has to dry. It's kind of milky, kind of thick in the bottle. But I guess that's how you apply it. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, finished with everything. I just want to go through those stages with you to show you how to properly clean your wheel. 50% of it is cleaning the inside of the wheel and the tire. The other 50% is cleaning the outside of the wheel and the tire. And lastly, of course, is applying the dressing onto the tire. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you continue to watch and support my channel. And I'll see you on the next video.